Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the simple step-by-step process for writing an email on Gmail, updated so you can follow along whether you're using the mobile app or a web browser. Gmail is one of the most popular email services, and knowing exactly how to compose and send a message will make your communication faster and more efficient. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device, or head to Gmail using your favorite browser on your computer. When the inbox loads, look for the button that says Compose. On mobile, this is usually a small plus icon or pencil icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. On a computer, it will be located on the left side near the top. Tap or click it to start creating your new email. Next, in the To field, type the recipient's email address carefully. This is where you tell Gmail exactly who should receive your message. You can send to one person or multiple contacts by separating addresses with commas. Now it's time to add your subject line in the subject field. Think of this as the headline for your email. It should be short, clear, and give the recipient an idea of what the message is about. With the subject in place, move down to the body section. Here's where you write your actual message. Whether you're sending a quick note, a detailed update, or something more formal, aim for clear, well-structured sentences so the recipient can easily understand your point. If you want to include supporting files or images, look for the attachment icon. It's usually shaped like a paperclip. Tap or click it, then choose the file or photo you want to send. This step is optional, but it's useful if you need to share documents, pictures, or other items. Finally, review your email to make sure everything looks good. The address is correct, the subject is clear, and the message is complete. When you're satisfied, tap the Send button, and Gmail will deliver your message instantly. That's it. By following these steps, you can write and send emails confidently using Gmail from any device. Now you're ready to keep in touch, share ideas, and communicate more effectively than ever.